How to hide comments in Instagram Live as a viewer. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to hide comments in Instagram Live. You're immersed in Instagram Live, but the comments section is blowing up. While comments can be fun, sometimes you just want to focus on what the broadcaster is showing. So to hide comments in Instagram Live, first open the Instagram app. Navigate to the Instagram Live session you want to watch. Once you're in the live video, take a minute to interact with the comments section. Then, simply tap on the comment section and the keyboard will appear. Now, in the comment box, type the @ symbol, followed by /, and leave the keyboard open without adding any text. You're left with a clean view of the live video, free from any interruptions. With this quick trick, you can easily hide comments on Instagram Live and enjoy a cleaner viewing experience. And this is how to hide comments in Instagram Live. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.